Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Maths by Pratyusa ma'am. Here I am your Pratyusa ma'am. In this video I'll cover the first chapter which is integers for class 7. So in this video the last part of exercise 1A is totally covered. So I am following the foundation mathematics for R.S. Agarwal. So let's start. Question number 3, we already covered till question number 2 for this exercise. So in this video, I will cover from question number 3 to question number 6. Okay, so let's start. So question number 3, it says evaluate. So evaluate what the question says, 20 minus mod of minus 11. So to evaluate this, we need to understand first what is the mod is. So I am taking an example. This is called mod. Okay, this is called mod. So in this, whatever the value is, if it will give away, it will give us the positive value. So first of all, I am taking an example of in this mod, I am putting a positive value which is 5. So if we take this out, if we take this mod out, so it will give us the positive value, right? If in this mod we have minus 1, so if we take this mod out, it will give us positive 1. So what have you understand? So in this case of mod, whatever the value in this mod, that will give us the positive value. Okay, so in this case there is no mod, right? So 20, I have to write this in normal way. So 20 minus, so you can see in this mod we have a negative value, right? So we just understand that in the case of mod, whatever the value in this mod, this will give us a positive value, right? So in this case, minus 11 in this mod, minus 11, that means it's a negative value, but it will give us a positive value. So if we take this mod out, it will give us positive 11. So 20 minus 11, the answer will be 9. Okay. So the next question is, you can see in this mod the number is negative, right? Alright, but we know that very well in the case of mod, whatever the value is, if we take this mod out, it will give us a positive value. So minus 23 becomes plus 23, and the sign as well, I put it here, minus, and minus 16 will be 16. So 23 minus 16, it will give us 7, right? So the next question is minus 137 in this mod. So we know that very well in the case of mod, whatever the value in this, it will give us a positive value, right? In the case of mod. So if we take this mod out, minus 137, it will give us plus 137. And the sign is plus, and minus 13 in this mod, so it will give us plus 13. So the answer will be 137 plus 13, that is 7 plus 3, 10, 1 is carry, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. That is 150 will be our answer. So the next question is 6 minus 4 in the mod. So 6, it will write in normal way 6, then minus, but in the mod there is minus 4. So we know that very well in the case of mod, whatever the value in the mod, it will give us a positive value. So minus 4 becomes positive 4. So 6 minus 4, our answer will be 2. Okay. So question number 4, it says arrange the following integers in ascending order. So what is the meaning of ascending order? Ascending order meanings we have to order this in the way of smaller to bigger, right? So ascending means smaller to bigger. So as you can see, there is lot of positive integers and negative integers. So we have to write this in the order of ascending order. Okay, so -9 is a negative value, 11 is a positive, -23 is negative, 41 is positive, -37 is negative, 0 is neither positive nor negative, so it is the middle point, and -5 is the negative value. So the question says arrange this in ascending order. So ascending means smaller to bigger, so smaller means, so in this case the negative value comes first. In this question we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 negative values. So in the 4 negative values, what will comes first? So we know that very well, in the negative integers, in the basics, which number is bigger? In the way of negative integers, it becomes the smallest, right? So in the case of -37, -5, -23 and -9, so you can see 37, 23, 5 and 9. So first of all, if we if we have to compare the negative integers, we have to understand what is bigger in basics. So 37 is bigger in basics, right? So which is bigger in basics? In the case of negative integers, it will becomes the smallest. So the first negative integers which is comes first will be -37. So -37, then -23, then -9, then -5. So we covered the negative integers, right? So the next, after -5, we are getting into the positive value, right? So the middle point will be 0. Next 11 and 41. That's it. 11 and 41. So in this way you can arrange this in ascending order. So -37, -23, -9, -5, 0, 11 and 41. Question number 2, you can see in this question the integers as well as positive as well as negative. So arrange in the ascending order. We have to, ascending means smaller to bigger, right? So we have to see first what is the smaller number, right? So you can see there is lot of 1, 2, 3, 4 negative numbers. So in first of all we have to arrange these negative numbers as the ascending order, then we will cover the positive integers, right? So -31, -23, -50 and -8. So as I covered this in the previous video, how to compare negative integers, we know that very well. In the to comparing the negative integers, which number, first of all you have to check in the negative integers which number bigger in basics. So you can see 50 is bigger in basics. So to comparing the negative integers, we know that which is bigger in basics, that becomes smaller in negative integers. So -31, -23, -50 and -8, among them -50 is the smallest negative integer. So in that way we can write this -50 less than -50, then -31, then -23, then -8. So after completing the negative integers, we will put the positive integers, right? So because we are arranging in ascending order, so we have to arrange this negative to positive, right? Smaller to bigger. So we finish the smaller things, smaller integers. So next will be positive integers. The next number will be 3, then 8, then 19. So minus 50, minus 31, minus 23, minus 8, 3, 8, 19. So if we arrange this in ascending order, here is our answer. Question number 3. The given number is minus 2, 12, minus 43, 31, 7, minus 35 and minus 10. So as you can see in previous questions, we have to arrange this in ascending order. So first of all, we put negative integers, then positive integers, right? So here in these questions, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 negative integers. So write this down: minus 43, minus 2, minus 35 and minus 10. So we know that very well. To comparing the negative integers, we have to follow some basics. So to comparing the negative integers, first of all, you have to check which is bigger in basics. So you know that very well, minus 43 is bigger in basics. So to comparing the negative integers, which is bigger in basics, it's become the smallest in negative integers, right? So to among them, minus 43, minus 2 and minus 35 and minus 10, which is smaller? Minus 43 is smaller. So minus 43 less than minus 35, minus 35 is less than minus 10, minus 10 is less than minus 2. So we complete the negative integers, right? After completing the negative integers, we will put the positive integers. Okay, so after minus 2 we have 12, 31 and 7. So among 12, 31 and 7, which will come first in number line? After minus 2, 7 will come first, then 12, then 31. So in this way we can arrange this in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. So we can write this as well: minus 43, minus 35, minus 10, minus 2, 7, 12 and last is 31. Question number 5. Arrange the following integers in descending order. Descending order means bigger to smallest. So in the previous questions we arranged in ascending order, that means smaller to bigger. But in this question we have to arrange this in bigger to smaller. So in bigger to smaller, so it is so easy now, because to arrange this in descending order, we have to put positive value first. Okay, so in minus 24, 16, minus 40, minus 5, minus 13, 6 and minus 1, the positive integers is 16 and 6. So first of all we will put 16 greater than 6. 6 is greater than, so after 6 you can see there is no positive integers, all is negative integers: minus 24, minus 40, minus 5, minus 13. So write this down: minus 24, minus 40, minus 5 and minus 13. So you know how to compare these negative integers. So in the negative integers, which is bigger in basics, this becomes smaller in negative integers. So we have to arrange this descending order, right? So in this case you have to find which negative integers is bigger, not smallest. So among them minus 5 is bigger, because we know that to comparing the negative integers, which is bigger in basics, that become the smallest, right? So that means which is smaller in basics, that becomes the biggest in negative integers. So after 6, the negative integers which I put it minus 5. So minus 5 is greater than minus 13, then minus 24, then minus 40. Well, therefore 16, 6, minus 5, minus 13, minus 24 and minus 40. This is our answer. So, question number 2, 0, minus 7, 19, minus 23, minus 3, 8 and 46. So, arranging in descending order, we have to put the positive value first because descending means positive to negative, right? So, the positive integers in the given question is 46, 8, 19 and 0. So we know that very well in basics 46 is bigger than 19, 8 and 0. So we will put 46 first. 46 is greater than 19, then 19 is greater than 8, then 8 is greater than 0. So in this way we will arrange, we already arranged the positive integers. So after positive integers we will put the negative integers. So you can see in these questions we have 1 2 3 negative integers, right? So minus 3, minus 7 and minus 23. So you can see minus 3 comes first after 0. So we will put after 0 minus 3. Minus 3 is greater than minus 7 and then minus 7 is greater than minus 23. So you can arrange this as well in this way: 46 comma 9 comma 8 comma 0 comma minus 3 and minus 7 then minus 23. Question number 3 is, it says minus 31, minus 13, minus 49, minus 4, 37, minus 9 and minus 52. So arranging in descending order, we have to put positive value first. So first of all we put it here 37. 37 is greater than 4. 4 is greater than all negative integers. So here you can see the given negative integers is minus 52, minus 9, minus 49, minus 13 and minus 31. So among the 5 negative integers, which is bigger in basics? So we know that from basics, to comparing the negative integers, which integers is negative, which integers is smaller in basics, that becomes the biggest in negative integers. So in minus 52, minus 9, minus 49, minus 13 and minus 31, which is bigger? Minus 9 is bigger. So you can see after 4 minus 9 comes first, then minus 13. So minus 9 is greater than minus 13. Minus 13 is greater than minus 31. Minus 31 is greater than minus 49. Minus 49 is greater than minus 52. So you can write this as well: 37 comma 4 comma minus 9 comma minus 13 comma minus 31 comma minus 49 and then minus 52. So question number 6 is filling the blanks. So the first question is given: 0 is greater than every. So you know that 0 is greater than, in the number line 0 is the middle point and left of 0 there is negative numbers, right? So 0 is greater than every negative integers, because after negative integers 0 is comes. Okay, so 0 is greater than every negative integers. So every negative integers is less than every positive integers. Every negative integers is less than every positive integers. Next question, already I solved this. For any two positive integers a and b, if a less than b, that means I am taking the example. Let's a is equal to 6 and b is equal to 9. If 6 is less than 9 in positive integers, but in negative integers minus 6 is greater than minus 9. We already talk about this, because which is bigger in basics, that becomes the smallest. So 9 is bigger than 6 in basics. So in negative integers minus 9 is smaller than minus 6. Okay, this is the very important question. Question number 4, modulus of a negative integers is always positive. In this video, I just covered these things. Modulus of negative integers, minus 6 of modulus, that becomes positive 6. In the modulus, whatever the value is, that will give you the positive integers after you taking out the mod. Okay, so the largest negative integers is minus 1, because after minus 1 it will become 0, right? In the number line after minus 1 the 0 is come, therefore after 0 the positive integer started. So minus 1 is the largest negative integer, and the smallest positive integers is smallest positive integers is 1, because 0 is neither positive nor negative. 0 is the middle point, so after 0 what is the smallest positive integers? That is 1. So we can answer this, smallest positive integers is 1. So students, this is for today. In this video I covered the last part of exercise 1A, from question number 3 to question number 6. So in this way I covered the first exercise 1A from Foundation Mathematics R.S. Agarwal, chapter 1, which is integers. So in the next video I will start the exercise 1B from this chapter. So stay tuned for the next video. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you are interested to join my classes offline or personally, so you can message me through Facebook Messenger. My Facebook link in my YouTube descriptions. So thank you so much. See you in the next video.